8.02 Explanation of Syllabus Part 2. In the first part, I already spent about 25 minutes. That is pretty long. And in this one, I do not need that much time. I tried to complete it in 10 minutes because we only have 2 items left. And some of the information I already gave you in the first video. So in the second one, we can do much faster. All right, so let's look at the tests part. It's also a pretty big part, 30%. So each one 15%. And for the detailed information, very close to homework assignments, the format. So that means I do not need to spend a lot of time to explain that. The format, very close to homework assignment. Specifically 25 questions, right? Each question 4 points, like that, right? And question types, right? Like true, false, multiple choice, short answers, right? So that kind of information, very close to the homework. There is one part I didn't talk about in the homework assignment. Here, let me talk about that, because that part you will have the same thing in the tests. So I'd like to talk about that. Other than these 3 types, then there is the 4th question type. Detailed solutions. Detailed solutions. Usually, I ask you to do a small number of detailed solutions. So usually 2 or 3 questions like that. Among total 25 questions, I ask you to do 2 or 3 questions in detailed solutions. But how do you know that? In the question sheet, when you see A and S, that means you just do short answers. Okay? But when you see this word solution, then you need to provide solution details. All right, solution details. Otherwise, I will take points off. Okay, If you do not provide solution details, I will take 2 out of 4 points. Total 4 points. Still, each one, no matter it's a bigger question, smaller question, always 4 points. But if you do not provide detailed information, I do not give you that 2 points. Okay? So that is important information. Other than that, then duration, you can see 3 days duration. Okay? Much shorter than typical homework assignment. One homework assignment, you will have 9 to 10 days. Much shorter. The reason is simple. for the homework assignment, you need to spend a lot of time studying, right? Study the notes, videos. But when you work on the tests, you are familiar with the materials. You just work out those questions. So in that case, I give you 3 days. But the same as before, 1 day grace period. No penalty. All right? Yeah. After that grace period, late penalty, right? Yeah, still you have this issue, late penalty issue. 4 points per day. Per late day, okay? Per late day. Yeah. All right, so then, still not too much longer late. So if late by 2 days, that's fine with me, 2 days. But if more than 2 days, I do not feel very comfortable, okay? So I will try to make sure, I will push you a little bit. If you still, you cannot submit after I push a few times, 1 or 2 times, then I have to close the whole submission. Close it. Make sure you do not make that kind of big mistake. Too big. For the scores, that's too big. All right. So that's the test part. Then the last part, extra credit part. Here, 2 chances. Online evaluation at the end of the semester. Each of you need to do online evaluation for this course, and you have a chance to earn up to 1%. Up to. So here, let me describe what's the meaning up to. On the evaluation page, I can see the statistics. How many students submit online evaluations? I use that information to determine how much percent you can get. I use 2 lines. The first line, 60% line. 60% line. If the whole class, 60% of the whole class submit online evaluations, then each one can earn 0.5%. Everyone. Okay, all right. The second line, make sure, try your best to reach the second line, 80% line. After that, then 1%. Everyone automatically gets 1% extra credit. Overall. These percentage means still overall percentage. Okay. But you may want to know, how do you know 60%, 80%? I will let you know. I will update. Near the deadline, so I will report. I will report the percentage, the current percentage. So I will do that report. So let you know where you are. Okay? So you can try your best to get the extra credit. So that's one. The second, early project submission. Then it's another important part. You can try to get extra credit. So remember, you have 2 projects, right? PR1, PR2. PR1, PR2. So then for each one, remember we have 4 weeks regular time, right? But if you can do early submission, early, how early? Early by 1 week. Then you have chance to earn 1% extra credit. Early by 1 week. Yeah. Same thing here. Okay. Same thing for project 2. Early by 1 week. But if not by 1 whole week, just by a few days, then that percent number will be reduced proportionally. Yeah. That means early by 6 days, 5 days, even 1 day, the portion will be reduced by 0.x%. Yeah. Proportionally. Yeah. So I will put a reasonable fraction number there. Yeah. So you can earn. So that's the meaning up to 1%. Yeah. But that is one thing. Another thing is, in order to qualify for 1% extra credit, you need to get all the main features. Do not miss the main features as described in the project description. So I will post a project description document. Yeah. Feature 1, feature 2, 3, 4, several important features. Yeah. Don't miss anyone. Yeah. You can make some small mistakes. That's fine. Small mistakes. But do not miss any main feature. Yeah. Small mistakes, so even I take a small portion points, yeah. minor errors, so not big errors, minor errors, yeah. Then you're still qualified for the extra credit I described here, same rule. Yeah. But if you make some big mistake, very serious mistake, then you will not be qualified for extra credit. Okay? Yeah. All right. So that's pretty much I want to give you the information describing all the assignments, the coursework you will have in this semester. All right. So let me finish my video number 2 right here. Starting from the next video, we will study our normal lecture part. All right, yeah.